Please, if you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to our channel and turn all notifications on so you can receive the latest updates about the videos. Thank you. Hello YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how you can bypass an FRP on the Huawei P10. So I've already bypassed this, but I forgot to do recording for you from the first step. So to start with, we're gonna go and show you how to do step by step. Okay, so you first, assuming you are a member of Easy Firmware, you go to the website, and this is the firmware that I have decided to download. So I searched this, I downloaded the latest one, which is VTR L09 800.378 C55. So once you downloaded this file and download is complete, yeah, so you can go to the folder where the file is located. This is the file, and just right click, extract it, which I have already done. After the extraction, I've always tried to abbreviate the name to VTR. So once you get to here, this is what you get, and for this you need to get an EF file extractor. So what you do is, just to do that, because I've already done this as I told you, but I forgot to do recording. So now that I have done the job, I thought I should show you how to do it. So you open the EF file extractor, yes, then you open the location of the file that you want to, VTR Victoria, and you select this and open, and that's it. I've already done this, so I'm gonna just close and cancel this. So I've already done this, and this is what it gives you. When you extract it, it will give you this new file. On software deload, but I got into this area and I got some kind of problem. When I clicked, whenever I wanted to right click on it to extract it, it was giving me error. So some of you might experience this problem, and if you do, I have a solution for you. As you can see, I've extracted the file successfully, and again in here, right click, it gives me this error because of internet security, which I couldn't figure out in resetting the security of internet settings. So I've done something else for you. So you go to this file or this program, 7-zip file manager, and I managed to get to this folder location. Okay, so if you don't know this, when you download the file and get to the location, okay, here maybe what you could do is just right click and copy, and in here you could paste it, Control and V, enter. It directs you to the folder, and this is what you want to be extracting. Deload, because I couldn't do it, the right click way. So just select this, extract. Once that is done, it's going to give you this, and select this, select it and extract. It's going to give you this one. So after that is done, you will need to go back to your EFT Pro, and in Huawei you click on Huawei, yeah, you click on Huawei, then flash, and flash up firmware upgrade mode, fast boot, and you put your phone into fast boot mode. I've already shown you that. If you still don't know how to do it, you just switch off the phone and hold down the volume down, hold it, and connect it to the computer and leave it for a few seconds, it's gonna get into fastboot mode. But when you get into this area, update app, you will need to get to the folder, which is this update.app. Open, and custom, you go down, go back here, and this is the custom again. You open this, will open you both custom and the main firmware, and as it shows you here, it's an offline update. So now that your phone is connected, all you need to do is press start and wait for the procedure to finish, which now is switched into upgrade mode. It's installing the files. Let's just see how it goes ahead. Okay, as you can see, everything is okay and successful. So let's see. Okay, the phone. Setting up the phone now. Later. So agree, and okay. Let's just disconnect this. Maybe skip this. Accept. Set up as new. Skip. Get started. And voila. This is a Huawei P10. As you can see, VTR L09.